Hello friends, in this video what I am going to tell you, I am going to tell you about how can you find out or search research papers and how can you read it and how can you write it down the reports, lab project reports in your second semester, third semester and onwards. So let me discuss with you. For example, I am teaching right now in the strength of material laboratory, and we are doing practicals on consistency, and obviously we will do compressive strength tests as well. So how can we write it down the lab report? First of all, we should have to know that how can we search out the research papers, and when we will be able to search out the relevant research paper to our topic, then we have to read it. And how can we read it? Because mostly students who are in the second semester or third semester of their undergrads, so they are unaware of the fact how they have to search out the research papers and how can they read it. So when you will read the research paper, so you will be able to write it down your lab project reports, and you will get aware of the fact that how the reports and research papers will be will be chalked down, and you will get an idea from that. So for example, right now I am going to search out the research paper. So research paper on compressive strength of concrete. So for example, I have searched it out, and I have variety of research paper over here. So it's up to me, whatever the research paper, I will choose it out. So for example, I am going to choose this one, experimental study on compressive strength of concrete. So let me click on it and I will get this research paper. So when I will get this research paper, so how can I read it? First of all, you can see the title and you will see the volume and all that. And this is ISSN number, and this is from www.irjet.net. And the title of your this research paper is what? Experimental study on compressive strength of concrete by using metakaolin. And the writers of the research papers are this, and these are the associate professor, Department of Civil Engineering, and this paper is from India. Now first of all, what we have to see? We have to see the abstract. What is abstract over here? So this is actually, abstract is the summary of your whole research paper, but it is in the start of your paper, but it should be write it down in the end of your working or paper. So for example, if you will see abstract, nowadays enormous development occurred in the field of concrete technology. Many engineers, scientists and researchers have been developed several techniques to improve strength parameter of the concrete. A number of studies have been carried out to investigate the possibility of utilizing a broad range of materials as partial replacement material for cement in the production of concrete. So you will see over here, you will get an idea from here. How you will get an idea? You will get an idea that on which research is going on. So actually, they will in this research paper or in this testing, what they have done in this investigation, they have prepared the concrete mix and concrete. First, they have done. They have to produce the concrete on conventional concrete. Then what? And next, what they have done, they have added partial replacement of any different material, and that is from the topic you can get an idea that they have used metakaolin by partial replacement of concrete. So for example, they will reduce the amount of cement or maybe other thing, and what they will add it in place of cement, metakaolin. So a number of studies still I didn't get an idea what they replaced it. So a number of studies have been carried to investigate the possibility and the use of supplementary cementitious materials. So they use supplementary cementitious material, major saving of energy and cost, and they are saying that if we use supplementary cementitious material by partial replacement of cement, so what will happen? We will have saving in energy and cost. It also helps to improve the strength, durability, impermeability, and chemical resistance of concrete. So the present study investigates the effects of metakaolin and superplasticizer on strength properties of M35 grade concrete. So what they have done, they have used metakaolin or some super plasticizers to improve its strength properties of the concrete, and they have the category of M35 grade concrete. Experimenter defined the compressive strength of concrete by partially replacing the cement. So they have replaced the cement with metakaolin. And how much percentage of cement they have replaced means they have mixed the concrete, and in which they have taken, for example, at the first step they have taken 400 gram of cement. So after that they have reduced the amount of cement by 4%, 8% to 12%, 16% and 20%. For constant water cementitious material ratio of 0.4. For all mixes, compressive strength is determined on what days they have taken the compressive strength. For 3 days, on 7 days, 28 days. For the size of cubes were 150 by 150 by volume of the cube were the same. So current experimental study shows that 12% replacement of cement by metakaolin gives higher strength. So on which they will get the good result on 12% replacement at this amount. So now these are the keywords, and now we are moving toward the introduction and how which type of cement they have taken. So Portland cement they have taken is not only costly and energy standard, but it is also very large amount of. So we will have to move on here. Carbon emitter. The production of 1 to Portland cement produces around 1 ton of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Limestone is a raw material. It is primary need for production of cement material. So anyways, this is the introduction. You have to read it yourself. Now I am moving towards what? Experimental program. So material, which material they have used? They have used cement of 53 grade, and the cement has been tested for various properties. So they have done some testings on cement as well. So they have done specific gravity test, fineness test, then fine aggregate. Locally available crushed sand was used as fine aggregate with conforms to zone 2. So they told us the criteria of fine aggregate also in this. And then coarse aggregate crushed angular granite metal from a local source was used as a coarse aggregate, having size ranges from, so what they have done, 10 millimeter to 20 millimeter, because they passed the coarse aggregate from the sieves. Now you can see specific gravity test was also done. Fineness modulus they have also taken it. Then metakaolin, that was the supplementary cementitious material. So they have taken from Chennai, having the properties as shown. What are the properties of this? So they have done this test as well. So they have taken different tests of physical and chemical properties of metakaolin. So form appearance, what was the chemical composition, its specific gravity and bulk density. So now I'm moving towards, they have taken water. They have taken water free from acids, organic matter, suspended solid. Then they have taken some plasticizers to improve the properties of the cement, and how much percentage they have taken. So 0.8 to 1.2%. Now the properties of super plasticizer, chemical admixture, color, type, pH value and all that given over here. Then mixed proportion, which mixed proportion they have taken, how much percentage of, actually they have taken the cement of ordinary Portland cement. So how much amount they have replaced the cement? 4%, 8%, I already told you in the start. Now you can see what were the readings they got it. First one is the mix. Normal concrete, then normal concrete plus 4% metakaolin, normal concrete plus 8% metakaolin, and they have the OPC in kg. So you can see the amount reduced cement from 380 kg to 364, then it will get reduced. But water cement ratio was constant. So metakaolin in kg were this, fine aggregate amount was given to this. So now preparation of test specimen, how they prepare the specimen. So all is here. They have they made the cube molds. So mechanically vibrated, freshly cement for 24 hours, demolded, and then whatever the procedure they have done, so they wrote it over here. Testing of specimen was done with a compressive strength test setup. So then now the result and discussion. So a result of compressive strength of concrete, the test was carried out conforming to obtain compressive strength of M35 grade of. For compressive strength testing, total 54 concrete cubes were casted. 6 concrete mix samples are used. The compressive strength of high strength concrete with OPC, metakaolin and super plasticizer concrete at the age of 3 to 3, 7 and 28 days are presented in the table. There is a significant improvement in the strength of concrete because of the high pozzolanic nature, fineness of metakaolin and its void filling abilities. So the compressive strength of the mix was also given to us here in the table, and you can see what the compressive strength they have they got it in 3 days, they on 7 days, on 28 days. So you can see this graph, so they plotted, and you can see the difference as well. So you can see this is the compressive strength, and these are the normal concrete with some 4% of metakaolin, then normal concrete with 8% metakaolin. 3 days compressive strength, blue one. So you can see they have achieved less compressive strength. Then there is a highest compressive strength on 28 days. They achieved so much compressive strength. So this is the normal concrete, and you can see how much amount is increasing. There is not a huge percentage, but some amount of percentage is increased. So now you can see. So they have discussed. You can see here discussion is done on the graph. They have discussed this graph over here. So as expected, the compressive strength increases with the increase in content of metakaolin. As the total water binder ratio is kept constant, the variation of strength with respect to constant water cement ratio remains open to discussion. The compressive strength of metakaolin concrete increases with increase in metakaolin content up to 12%. Further increment of metakaolin will result in strength reduction. So you can see when the metakaolin is increased from 12%, so strength or compressive strength was going to reduce. So, what does it mean by that? Conclusion: both the physical and chemical properties of metakaolin are compliance with the standard cement replacement up to 12% with the leads to increase in compressive strength. So they have he has discussed in this conclusion that whatever the result they gained it, so they give it in a point. You can give it into the paragraph as well. It's up to you. You can see metakaolin increases the compressive strength of concrete more than 10%. Now, this is the acknowledgement. In conducting this, we have received munificent help and support from principal. These are all up to. And then you can see there are so many references over here. These are the reference research papers. So they read it before doing this test or writing this research paper. This is a very short research paper, and it will help you out how can you read the research paper and how can you write your own one. So you have to follow this procedure in your lab reports as well, lab projects as well. This is exactly I wanted. Actually, this is not my research paper, but I want to discuss with you how can you write down your lab report. I don't want any, for example, you don't have to create your lab practical. I want this report research paper after doing test in the lab sessions. So hopefully you will understand it. For example, in the coming week, what we are going to do, we are going to do consistency test of variety of cement. So what you have to do, you have to write down this report like this. First, you have to write down the abstract, then you have to write down the introduction, then experimental program, and then you have to tabulate your data, and then you have to do what? You have to create this graph as well, and then you have to discuss your conclusions. So you have to write down all these things. For this purpose, you can read more research papers on it, so it will help you out how can you read the research papers. So hopefully you will get my point. Actually, I'm not using this paper to publicize that it's mine. I just want to tell you how can you read the research papers. So it will be helpful for the beginners. So if you will find this video helpful for you, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell notification, and must like this video, and don't forget to share with your friends and family, and follow me on the www.nahishazad.blogspot.com. So don't forget me. Don't forget to like this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.